try that.
Get my side in first.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
So we haven't started sanding yet, we just kind of tap around the edges with the hammer, and it's actually pretty good fitment.
Yeah.
There's a tiny bit of a gap along here which will silicone.
Yeah.
And other than that...
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
What do you think, Charlie?
Looks great.
So the plan is to drill through here, and rivet it all three sides, and then just silicone it all the way around. In theory. Practice, who knows? We'll find out.
Find out on the next episode of Matthew's Car is a pile of shit.
Yeah,
A pile of shit. Just a £5 drill. So the installation of the sunroof bung so far has been fairly easy, but you definitely need 2 people.
Yeah, without a doubt.
So we've drilled all the holes on the sunroof, we've now just matched them up on the car. And then hopefully the rivets will go straight in.
With a bit of luck.
Oh yeah! So, rivets didn't work. They weren't quite long enough for the edge of the fiberglass and to go through the car as well. So we are reverting to good old-fashioned screws. And they seem to be doing the job.
Yep, if they work, they work.
But we got it in, and we've got it fairly flush the whole way across.
Is that right?
Yeah. And then once we finish screwing it in, we'll silicone around it, make it watertight, and hopefully we don't get too wet.
Right, so everything's in, we've taped all the way around. We've screwed it on the inside, so we're just going to silicone all the way around now. I've never siliconed anything in my life, so we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Yeah, the main issue is down here, there's a tiny bit of a gap all the way around, which obviously isn't going to be waterproof, so we're just going to silicone all the way around. We've probably about, what, 8 mil all the way around, just to make sure we don't get any leaks or anything. So yeah, let's go for it, see what happens.
Look at that technique, it's like he's icing a bloody cake. Imagine how pissed he'd be if the plumber came round and left it looking like this.
The master at work.
Yeah, I do this all the time, mate, yeah. Can't do it with that hand.
Builder Kim.
Are you ready for this? I'm going to lay down a sweet seam, bruh.
We'll see. Let's let everybody on YouTube see how sweet this seam's going to be.
God, okay, here we go.
So we're getting there slowly. Yeah, surprisingly, the Fiberworx bung did actually fit really well. There was obviously a little bit of a gap around the outside, but that's kind of to be expected with any fiberglass. Yeah, the guys actually did a really good job on this, so pretty impressed with that. As you can see, there's only like a tiny gap. Right, so we are currently smoothed some of the way around. We've got our dear friend Hamish here. Hamish! Just finishing the last bit off, and then we should be able to smooth it, take the tape off, let it dry, and hopefully it doesn't leak. Right, Hamish.
Yes?
How did we get on?
Well, not bad. I'd give us an 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd say that. I'd probably go more 6, but... So, this is what we have so far. It's not the neatest job in the world, but it will do. But...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Come on, that's not bad. That is not bad.
Yep. So, it's now siliconed in. Yeah. Just need to wait for it to dry and check that it doesn't leak. Thank you for watching, guys. We've just finished the installation, as you can see. We currently have it on screen here. It kind of went alright, it wasn't too bad. The Fiberworx bung actually fit really well. We didn't really have any problems with it, other than the metal really on the car, but we managed to fix that in the end by just screwing it in instead. We have fan shroud installation on the MX-5. That's going to be our next video out next week. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.